mind like Frank, you know.
Expose the nail. Now grab the nail. This nail took me over 10 minutes to take out because that's what it looked like in the friggin' salon. Look at that. Crazy. What's that?
A snack.
What is this?
Yogurt? The yogurt bar.
Oh.
Here, try this. You never had this. It's really healthy for you.
Alright, I'll try it.
Yes.
I don't like it. It's too healthy.
Yeah, it's nothing. There's a strawberry version too. This is vanilla.
You're a professional here, dude.
What's your favorite color?
I don't really have a favorite color.
It's not green.
No.
He's lying, dude.
You're lying.
Yeah, let it dry. 2 hours, come back, and just hit it again with the brush.
Okay. It's pretty hard.
So you said to cut 2 inches off. Right? 2 inches. Less is more sometimes. Good. Job. So you said this line was right, right? That's the line you marked. Let's go, baby.
They're goggles.
It's okay. Don't worry, it's gonna cut.
No, because I felt the wood chips falling down.
Oh, so you should work on it?
Yeah. Hi. Oh my god, spider!
It's good?
Yeah, that's fine. It's just the windowsill, you know? That's fine. Yeah, that's good.
Good?
Just need to, I guess, paint it.
Yeah, I need you. Got back into it?
Yeah. Need a control.
No.
Yeah. Almost done.
Almost done making the crib.
hair's crazy.
Is it? Using the fence level, 69 inches. Section equals. Aw, mama.
It took him so long to want to put these up. He didn't want to ruin the wall.
8 photos up, Dad. Using command strips though. So each photo should be 17 1/4 away from each other. Did you cover all my stuff? Of course you did.
I need a stool to end to end. Excuse me.
Hey,
Wait.
how much did your hair? 69 inches.
69 divided by 4 pictures. 6 for the first one.
So 6.6 per the edge of the photo. 9-inch photos. Bessie figured it out.
Think that's right?
No.
See, I don't even know.
They're just taking the paper off the corner. This little clear paper. No, so look.
Right here.
A little clear one.
Yeah.
Alright?
Hold it while you go on. I'll hold you. Hold it while you go up, I said! Oh my god.
Getting warm in here. Look, 70 degrees in the baby's room now. Bessie's room.
I think because we're talking in here.
We're not talking.
Should we just make sure it's 6.6? Wait, that is 6.6 with the dot? It is? Okay, there you go.
Alright, good. Before it sets, you can move it real quick. Hold on, let me get it.
Okay.
Yeah. Booty. Go inside. You able to fit? Why are you facing that way? Huh?
Because I can't face other than look at my stuff.
Oh,
I have to face backwards. I can't see, so you have to guide me.
Alright, first row complete. Next!
Aw, aren't you happy?
I just knew it was gonna be big. Booty! We did it! Oof. Let's go!
Yay!
All done! Let's see the final product. Very nice.
Welcome to the nursery. So I'm a little over 36 weeks and we are finally officially done with the nursing home.
Were our parents moving in? What's wrong with you? Get over here. This isn't a nursing home, alright?
So I'm a little over 36 weeks and we are finally done with our nursery.
Show them around. Starting over here. Okay, and now she's gonna show you around, then I'll show you around.
So actually, as soon as you start walking in, you'll see this wall first, which we designed with wood. We picked out the color at Home Depot. As soon as you walk in, you can see the baby's crib, which Greg basically set up and I helped him a little bit, but you know, I needed help with that. And then we got this giraffe from Facebook Marketplace. And then we just put up these pictures. Got the pictures from Temu and the frames from Amazon. A lot of the furniture pieces and a lot of the things inside the furniture, like the clothes, etc., were gifts from our family and friends. So we got this rocking chair from Amazon. This 3-piece set is from Wayfair. But yeah, this is a gift also. We got these books from
Dollar store, I think.
Oh yes,
Yeah, right.
Dollar store. This wall was created from Amazon, and Greg's dad actually helped us with all the painting and the wallpapering. I got all the designs just from online, just looking up jungle theme. I had a feeling he was a boy, so I knew jungle theme was gonna happen. But the best thing actually is that we're gonna put his name up. We already got his sign for his name, and it's gonna be right here on the wall, which I think a lot of people see when they look up nurseries, the baby's name on the wall, which is really cute. We also have this garbage can for the diapers, which helps prevent any smells. We got this toy treasure chest, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we have a couple things in there. We don't have too many toys yet because he's gonna be sleeping and drinking milk mostly. Got this rocking chair from Facebook Marketplace, and usually it's customized with the person's name, so we're gonna actually take off the Sophia and put the baby's name. We have this temperature in the room that Greg put, but now that we have this outlet, we'll have the degree and humidity in here, and it's through Wi-Fi, so we'll see how that works. Special thing is to keep this quarter. It says mommy's turn or daddy's turn, so whoever changes the diaper, we can use that.
I don't know if we need that.
So we have this little closet here, but it does store a lot. Got this also from the baby shower. Have a lot of the, you know, thermometers, all the medical stuff up here, towels, burp cloths, teething stuff. We have these headphones for when we go to any events or go outside and it's too loud. Got these from Temu. It's the different holidays that they'll be celebrating, like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day. A lot of diapers. These are not just the only diapers we have. We have a lot more, but for now we have the newborn over here because I'm short. So to grab these very quickly, we have the bathtub here, but obviously we can't use that yet. And then we have a couple clothes that we have in the closet for now. Got this new snowboarding outfit for when he's big enough.
Let's go.
No, it's like a huge play.
Oh, like the thing that the Rugrats are in all the time, the playpen.
Yeah, playpen, we have to set that up, but he won't be old enough yet. And then we have play gym, diapers up here. We have some storage down there, which we still need to use. Have a couple like pictures and albums down there, which I already put ultrasounds in.
This repurposed furniture, found at the curbside, pretty much brand new. Just went with the theme of the room. And we have a whole lot of nothing in there. So as we were putting clothes in the other dressers over there on that side, we forgot all about this one. So we have plenty of room. We just have like random scraps in there right now. See? Empty. It's clean, fresh, Lysol, brand spanking new. And then over on this side, underneath the changing table, is where we have all the fun stuff. Inside we have random stuff. We got extra wipes, extra diapers, a couple pairs of shoes that we just randomly put in there for now. And each drawer, the good thing about these drawers is they're baby proof. So if you open one, so let's say we look in this one, can't open another one. So it prevents baby from climbing them. Yeah, we got like little changing mats that we might put on top of here to just make it easier clean up for us. And we got breast pump now.
I got the breast pump for free from your insurance, so if you want to call your insurance.
Definitely check with your insurance because that's a nice little thing for free. Here's our to-go baby changing table that we'll have to figure out how to use. Plus more mommy's diapers. And this dresser, same thing. Can't open a bunch. Well, these are a little more organized, so you come over here.
Who organized them?
So Bessie got organized them. Mama, aka Mama Baby.
They have little notes off 0 to 3.
Yeah.
And this is 3 to 6.
So 0 to 3, 3 to 6. Yeah, good, very good. And then in here we have more baby clothes.
6 to 12.
Yeah, 6 to 12 months.
Yep.
Yep. And then what's on here?
That'll be a year.
All the jackets and stuff. And under here we got going bigger, greater than 12. Good thing we're making this video, so I know it too. And then more. We got socks. No notes in this one.
So these are hats at the top, like winter hats and plus regular hats. Then we have mittens and then socks and then baby bibs. These are just extra hats that say Dad, Mama, and Minnie that I'm just keeping in here for now.
This light can change to any color we want, so we get a little cool in here. So let's say we want it to be a little more foresty. We want to make the light green. We'll say, Alexa, change baby room to green. See? We can change any color. We can do green. Valentine's Day, we can say, Alexa, change baby room to red. Ah. Valentine's Day in baby's room. Any color you want. Alexa, change baby room to blue. That's baby boy. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell we have here. Got the accent. We plant accents to make it seem like a real jungle. So the baby's always gonna remember. Welcome to the jungle.
So we'll actually make our bags that we're preparing for the hospital next. It actually is already done. So we'll talk about what's in each bag and what he's bringing for all the dads.
Alright, so to end off this video, got anything to say?
You're almost here, baby boy.
Let's go, baby boy. And hopefully everyone enjoyed this process of making this whole damn room.